Set the low pass right. Extreme reggae EDM, burning through the night. Yeah, man. Extreme bass audio testing in the area. Checking the frequencies, 30 hertz low. Feel the rear view mirror start to flex and glow. Deep digital pressure rolling through the trunk. High power car audio, zero weak junk. Trunk lid vibrating, ear pushing wide. Welcome to the ultimate extreme bass ride.
Push the frequency down.
Shake the entire town.
Push the frequency down.
Shake the entire town. Car audio on top. 3, 2, 1. Unleash the extreme bass. 3, 2, 1.
Unleash the extreme bass.
3, 2, 1.
Unleash the extreme bass.
3, 2, 1. Extreme bass unleashed. Turn the volume high. Deep bass reggae reaching up to the sky.
Extreme bass unleashed.
Feel the low and flex.
Your audio experience taking over the next.
Digital updates engineered so clean. Heaviest low end that you ever seen. From the beach side back into the city street light. We testing every speaker till the morning bright. Feel the chest hit rhythm deep in your spine. Car sound system test working fine, fine, fine.
Push the frequency down.
Shake the entire town.
Push the frequency down.
Shake the entire town. 3, 2, 1.
Unleash the extreme bass.
3, 2, 1.
Unleash the extreme bass.
3, 2, 1.
Unleash the extreme bass.
3, 2, 1.
Extreme bass unleashed.
Turn the volume high.
The best reggae.
Reaching up to the sky.
Extreme bass unleashed.
Feel the low and flex.
Car audio experience taking over the next.
Listen to the woofer cone push pure ear. Heavy sound pressure hitting everywhere.
Feel the heavy bass line touch the sky.
Bring the extreme bass back.
Extreme bass unleashed.
Turn the volume high.
The best reggae.
Reaching up to the sky. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Extreme bass unleashed. Feel the low and play.
All 1. Extreme bass unleash.
Car audio.
Extreme bass unleash. Vol 1. Feel the extreme bass shake the street. Car audio system sounding sweet. Turn again, control up. Set the low pass right. Extreme reggae EDM burning through the night. Yeah, man. Extreme bass audio testing in the area. Woo! Hey! Checking the frequencies, 30 hertz low. Feel the rear view mirror start to flex and glow. Deep digital pressure rolling through the trunk. High power car audio, zero weak junk. Trunk lid vibrating, ear pushing wide. Welcome to the ultimate extreme bass ride.
Push the frequency down.
Shake the entire town.
Reggae EDM
Hit rhythm deep in your spine, cause sound system test working fine, fine, fine.
Push the frequency down.
Shake the entire town.
Reggae EDM drop.
Car audio.
On top.
3, 2, 1. Unleash the extreme bass. Extreme bass. Unleash the extreme bass.
Turn the volume high.
Deep bass reggae reaching up to the sky.
Boom the bass. Boom the bass.
3, 2, 1. Unleash the extreme bass.
Feel it low and flex. Your audio experience taking over the next. Listen to the woofer con push pure ear. Heavy sound pressure hitting everywhere. Listen to the woofer con push pure ear. Heavy sound pressure hitting everywhere.
Listen to the woofer con push pure ear. Heavy sound pressure hitting everywhere. Listen to the woofer con push pure ear.
Listen to listen to listen to listen to everywhere. Listen to listen to listen to
Listen to the woofer con. Bring it extreme bass back. Yeah. Unleash the extreme bass.
Turn the volume high.
Deep bass reggae reaching up to the sky.
Boom the bass. Boom the bass.
3, 2, 1. Unleash the extreme bass.
Feel it low and flex. Our audio experience taking over the next. Yeah, extreme bass unleashed. Car audio experience. Var 1. Overload the speaker. Feel the decibels rise. Car audio system touching up the skies.
System check. Bring the decibel counter out. This is the heavy sound we talking about. Clear the road. Extreme car audio sound passing through. Amplifiers glowing, pushing high watt power. Heavyweight bass line booming by the hour. Multi box flexing, moving pure air. Feel the vibrations through the driver's seat chair.
Clear eye tweeters, mid-range digest. Car audio experience sounding so right. Feel the woofer, shake the floor.
Every car audio wanting more.
Decibels hitting high.
Decibels hitting high.
Feel the woofer, shake the floor.
Every car audio wanting more.
Decibels hitting high.
Decibels hitting high. Decibel overload.
Feel it up, bass drop. Extreme car audio test that never gonna stop.
Decibel.
Decibel overload.
Shaking up the ride, reggae EDM power hitting nationwide.
Feel it up, bass drop. Extreme car audio test that never gonna stop. Decibel overload.
Shaking up the ride, reggae EDM power hitting nationwide. Hit it at the place 2026 flow. Building car audio tracks for the pro. Plexiglass window flexing in the door. Once this up hits, everybody want more.
Hands in the air if your sound system clear. Heaviest frequency knocking from the rear. Feel the woofer, shake the floor.
Every car audio wanting more.
Decibels hitting high.
Decibels hitting high.
Feel the woofer, shake the floor.
Every car audio wanting more.
Decibels hitting high.
Decibels hitting high. Decibel overload.
Feel this up, bass drop.
complete.
Decibel overload.
Car audio experience complete. Watch the windshield, flexing with the bass.
Heaviest sound system in the place.
Open the windows, turn the master dial. We're driving to the extreme bass reggae style. System check, windshield ready. Park up at the boulevard, neon lights are glow. Car sound system set up ready for the show. High wattage amplifiers pushing pure heat. Deepest reggae bass line pounding on the street.
Tweeter singing crystal mid bass punty tight. Windshield flexing hard under the city light. Turn the volume to the top.
Reggae bass line never stop.
I feel the windshield start to flex.
Extreme car audio on the next. Windshield flex anthem. Hear the subwoofers roar.
Deep bass, reggae music.
Leaving you wanting more. Windshield flex anthem.
Feel the car frame hum.
Car audio experience with the heavy Caribbean drum.
Car radio. Car radio. Car radio.
Car audio lovers gathering all around, nodding up them head to the deep bass sound. Review mirror dancing, trunk tapping wide. Welcome to the ultimate extreme bass ride.
Positive energies just gone away. We testing sound system till the break of day. Turn the volume to the top.
Reggae bass line never stop.
Feel the windshield start to flex.
Extreme car audio on the next. Windshield flex anthem. Hear the subwoofers roar.
Deep bass, reggae music.
Leaving you wanting more. Windshield flex anthem.
Feel the car frame hum.
Draw on no experience with the heavy Caribbean drum.
Car radio. Car radio.
If your windshield flexing hard, let me see your hands. Car audio culture right across the lands.
Raise them high to the sky.
Extreme bass, reggae never gonna die. Flex the windshield one more time. Windshield flex anthem. Hear the subwoofers roar.
Deep bass, reggae music.
Leaving you wanting more. Windshield flex anthem.
Feel the car frame hum.
Car audio experience with the heavy Caribbean drum.
Car radio. Car radio. Watch the windshield flexing with the bass
Heavier sound system.
in the place.
Watch the windshield flexing with the bass. Heavier sound system in the place. Open the windows, turn the master dial. We're driving to the extreme bass reggae style. System check, windshield ready.
pressure singing crystal, mid-bass punch it tight. Windshield flexing out under the city light. Turn the volume to the top.
Reggae bassline never stop.
Feel the windshield start to flex.
Extreme car audio on the next. Windshield flex anthem. Hear the subwoofers roar.
Deep bass reggae music, leaving you wanting more.
Windshield flex anthem. Feel the car frame
Car audio experience with the heavy Caribbean drum.
Car audio lovers gathering all around, nodding up them head to the deep bass sound. Rear view mirror dancing, drunk popping white. Welcome to the ultimate extreme bass ride.
Positive energy, stress gone away. We testing sound systems till the break of day. Turn the volume to the top.
Reggae bassline never stop.
Feel the windshield start to flex.
Extreme car audio on the next. Windshield flex anthem.
Hear the subwoofers roar. Deep bass reggae music, leaving you wanting more.
Windshield flex anthem.
Feel the car frame hum. Car audio experience with the heavy Caribbean drum.
Pop, pop, pop. If your windshield flexing hard, let me see your heart.